Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sweden on guitar. First, let's get your guitar ready. You'll want to tune your guitar to standard EAD-GBE tuning. This is crucial for the song to sound correct and harmonious. Take your time to ensure each string is perfectly in tune using a digital tuner or a reliable tuning app. This foundational step will set you up for success as we move forward. Now, let's dive into the iconic main melody. We'll start with the first section. Begin by playing the open D string, followed by the second fret on your G string. Next, move to the third fret on the B string, and finally, play the open high E string. Practice these 4 notes repeatedly, focusing on a smooth transition and consistent timing. This sequence forms the core of the song's recognizable sound. Let's expand on the melody by adding a few more notes. After the open high E string from the first section, play the 5th fret on that same high E string. Then, return to the 3rd fret on the B string, followed by the 2nd fret on the G string, and finally, the open D string. Now, try playing both sections together, connecting the phrases smoothly. This builds a longer, more complete musical idea. To truly bring Sweden to life, consider adding dynamics to your playing. Experiment with varying your picking intensity to create softer and louder passages, adding emotional depth. Using a metronome is also incredibly helpful for developing precise timing and a consistent tempo. Remember, consistent, short practice sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily, are far more effective than infrequent long ones. Enjoy the process of mastering this beautiful piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.